So, welcome to another video. We are currently at Goodwood Festival of Speed. So, I've not actually done a great deal of filming because the weather has been pretty bad all day. It's been raining up until this point, which is the point that we're leaving. So now the sun's come out, but we're going home. So yeah, a bit of a short video, but hopefully you enjoy these clips, and we'll definitely be back next year. Hopefully we'll do 2 days next year. But yeah, awesome event. Check out these clips.
Yeah. He did. How smooth was that?
We have the rally cars heading up the hill, but in front of Goodwood House are quite fabulous. And they looked at what the Dakar rally guys have done with the first victorious car from 1979, and immediately it was winning. And of course, on the snowy events such as Sweden, on the frozen lake, it was the Subaru with the two-door car that debuted in Monte Carlo, and Colin McRae, Piero Liatti, Richard Burns, such as the Corsican Rally. Sides, Audi went racing after the demise of Group B, and in 1980 their V8 push rods were like, what are these guys playing at with a small little bike? He's got a new 3 Series that he's had great success with this year. This is something very new. Colin will be driving it on. He's been trying to get behind one of these cars for ages, and he's behind that. The hood needs a little bit of blending up there, but the Troy Lee Designs livery, it just has that whole other era feel. Would you, Tristan, put them together? This vehicle online as long you gotta love it. This is Bagsy. Bagsy is on the start line. This is all of it inclusive, and I do have a fancy little wild shirt underneath my rain jacket just for you guys, because everybody's been commenting on my shirts. But this vehicle, Bagsy has just done a phenomenal thing with this vehicle. Listen to it popping off. Sounds like he took a wrong turn down the wrong alley and getting fired at. But Bagsy with his last year, and then look at that. Sans the hood. We talked about that. Look at that. Beautiful 4 engine, but that's Toyota. That is Ryan Turk, and we're a vehicle here. He's using all that one of his sponsors there, so he's using all of it. As you can see, no windscreen, no hood, and I told you the story.